Hi, this is Matthias from VChain, and today I will show you how to turn a replica node into a full-blown authority node on the CTC. So this is my already running blockchain node. It's a read-only or replica node, so you see it's currently synchronizing and just watching what's going on the blockchain. So let's assume the CTC has granted access for me to become a valid authority node. So in this case, I need to provide my public key to the CTC so that the CTC can integrate my public key into the list of validators. This list of validators we put into smart contracts. The reason for that is, imagine the situation if we had this configuration in plain configuration files. Then whenever we added a new member to the CTC, we would need to ask all of the running authority nodes to change the configuration, to add this new node, and then, as we of course need integrity, consistency of the blockchain, we would even need to ask all of these nodes to restart in a timely, orchestrated way. That is of course a no-go, so we provide a smart contract that lets us dynamically have this configuration in real time. So what we need to do now is to put the public key into the smart contract, and all of the authority nodes will then in real time immediately dynamically configured be aware of the newly joining authority node. So here in the .env file, I simply open this file and select my public key. This public key then I need to securely send to the CTC, and here on the CTC side they will now interact with the blockchain using a smart contract. The tool here in use is Truffle. This is basically a native to Ethereum, and what we just did is we asked the smart contract for the list of validators. We see there are 2 validators currently in the list, and we now put the 3rd validator into this list. So there is a simple command that lets us add new validators. So this is the public key I got from my node. This is now the new node being mined, and voila, we have the new configuration. So we see that this public key has been added to the list of validators. So the public address starts with 202B, and we look here on the Ethereum block explorer whether we can find this new public key. So this is one of the recent blocks. This was one of the old validators. Now let's go into the next block. So this is also mined by an old validator. This is again mined by an old one, and here we see that one of the newest blocks has already been mined with our new validator. Voila, we just added a 3rd authority node to the CTC. Thanks for watching.